Morning guys, it is practice day at Pukekohe. It is 6:30ish or something around that in the morning. We're here at DKM. DKM putting on a pretty big display this weekend, so they're taking Arthur's new car down there. They've got the S15, the shop car, still getting stickered up, so that'll be there. And then obviously the GT86, which is already left with Joe. So we're gonna get there at about 8:30. I think it's about a 2-hour drive from here. And driver's briefing's at 9:30. And then we don't actually start practice till like 11ish, I think. Pretty pumped. Sorry there wasn't much footage from yesterday. It was just me running around, getting a heap of videos out at D1NZ. So I literally went to D1NZ in the morning, used their Wi-Fi so I could get a couple of videos out for you guys. And then got the mirrors for the GT86, went to Big Brown, got them stickered up, and then come back to DKM. Then after that went and caught up with Mike and Tony. And yeah, it was an awesome day, but I didn't film anything, so hope you don't mind, but today's gonna make up for it. I can't wait, it's gonna be wicked. All right, we're gonna go to the track now. Freaking noisy Carl. Shush, would ya? So the missus won't like this, but we're here at Pookie and we're in Gizzy's garage. Sorry, Bree. Alright, so we're here at Pookie. Kyle and Keg have got the car all prepped, ready to go. And yeah, it should be a pretty cruisy day, because what I'm going to do is I'll pretty much start from the last corner and work my way back. And I'll put every run in so you guys know exactly what I've done from start to finish. It will be a long video, so bear with me. But yeah, you'll get to see exactly how I look at a new track and how I'm going to learn to do bookie. So it should be a pretty informative video on how I learn new tracks. But yeah, to say I'm not scared would be lying. I'm just really nervous and excited, because obviously this is the quickest track that I've ever driven at. Yeah, Kex is warming the beast up now. Get that drive line lubricated, and then yeah, we'll go testing. Woo, it's gonna be good. I'm excited. Oh, just so you guys know, we're on the Ginus this weekend. 265 35 18. So these are worth about 80 bucks Kiwi, and I'll let you know how they are by the end of today. They should be good. Good enough. Alright, let's go test this thing. No, I know exactly what they mean now. Like, the quicker you go, the easier it is. Yeah. So we got Nath here in the car. How you going, buddy?
Yeah, good, you?
Did you win this hot rod?
No, I just arranged it with Brendan.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. And I did some work for him. So.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
We've got a speedo. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on this camera, but yeah, hopefully you can see that. I'm going to shoot for like 170, 180 and see if I got the balls for that. I really need to go quicker, but we'll see. We'll see how we go. Hopefully this thing keeps up. We'll be right. Alright guys, we're obviously not at Pookie anymore, but the practice went heaps well today. I didn't get out and sort of tell you guys what was happening in between each session, but you should have been able to figure out that I ended up using high boost and the water temp was going a bit too hot and it was pushing water out, so I ended up having to only run low boost, and we're consistently going in at about 180, which is definitely going to be good enough, eh Keg?
Yeah man.
Yeah, all that footage that you've just seen, I've literally put every single run I've done today in. Yeah, it was a good day. It was a freaking wicked day, to be honest. I have to keep car at low boost though. We can't run high boost, so it's a bit of a bummer. But we got tyres up to 40 pound now, and just literally flat foot the entire run up to the first corner. It's freaking insane. But you're probably wondering why I'm in an industrial area, but I'm back at Big Brown. Because we're here to pick up this. Hell. First job we got when we get back to DKM is lowering it. My God. Look at that gap. Jesus, Keg. Alright. So we'll load this up, we'll head back to DKM.